there's 5 stops on the bending subway station, okay? So the first one is going to be right bend, right? Where the whole horse's body, it's not just the neck. We talk about the whole horse's body bending. Then there is from bending, where I can see his eyeball. Then it goes to right flexion, which I only see as eyelashes. Then it goes to totally arrow straight. Then it goes to left flexion, and then it goes to left bend. Okay, and we don't want to do left bend to right bend, right? That's just me pulling his head around, and that's going to completely make him out of balance in his legs if I am like whipping his neck all over. So we want to make sure, even if it's just for a breath, even if it's just for a moment, we want to really go the subway, whether you get off at the subway stop or not, the train stops, right? So there has to be bend, flexion, straight, flexion, bend, okay? But this ability to talk in a nice way to the horse's pole keeps him flexible. Good. So right flexion, right bend, right flexion, straight, right flexion, right bend, bend, right flexion, straight, left flexion, straight, right flexion, straight, left flexion, straight, right flexion, bend, and flexion. And I got to keep my outside leg back and on so that, again, I get that horse to curve around my inside seat bone. And the thing that's also interesting to note, we can have flexion without bend, but we cannot have bend without flexion. Flexion of what? Flexion of the pole and flexion in the jowl.